In this exercise, we'll approximate a square root to 3 decimal places. And the root that we're looking at is the opposite of the square root of 87.4. Now, we would begin by finding the square root of 87.4, and we'd use a calculator to do that. We'd call up the square root function and then enter 87.4 and press the enter key. And we can see from the readout that the square root of 87.4 rounded to 3 decimal places is approximately equal to 9.349. Now, we've been asked to find the opposite of this number. So if the square root of 87.4 is approximately equal to 9.349, then the opposite of that would be approximately equal to the opposite of this number. So we can go back up here and we can write that this is approximately equal to the opposite of 9.349, or negative 9.349.